Okay, here are those examples as promised. I picked two examples from that last Khan Academy assignment. One is the one on the right is where we use a generic rectangle and a diamond, and the one on the left looks a little bit different. I'm going to do the one on the right first. We take a generic rectangle. The x squared term always goes in the lower left corner. The constant term always goes in the upper right corner. We draw the diamond, or in my case, I just draw an x. You multiply these, the diagonal, to get the top of the diamond. So x squared times -4 is -4x squared. And then what goes on the bottom of the diamond, that's going to be the term that they gave us in the original expression. So positive 3x. Two terms that add to 3x and multiply to -4x. If I have a negative on the top of the diamond and a positive on the bottom, that means that one of these is going to be positive and the other one is going to be negative. In this case, we're going to have -1x and positive 4x. -1x plus 4x is 3x, and then -1x times positive 4x is -4x squared. So these terms are going to go back into the missing parts of the generic rectangle, and now we're just going to find the length and the width. X times x is x squared. X times -1 gives us -1x. X times 4 gives us 4x. And then just to double check, -1 times 4 does give us -4 in the top right corner. So my answer for this example would be the length, x plus 4, times the width, x minus 1. I explained the example on the left in the video in a different way that I'm going to explain it now. I'm going to change it up because hopefully this will make more sense. They're still asking us to factor. They're asking us to factor x squared minus 4x minus 12. Let's just do the same thing that we did on the for the example on the right. Start with the generic rectangle, draw your diamond, x squared, bottom left, -12, upper right. Multiply those two to get the top of your diamond up here. That would be -12x squared. The bottom of your diamond is going to be the x term in the middle, -4x. Two terms that multiply to -12x squared and add to -4x are going to be -6x and positive 2x. -6 plus 2 is -4, and -6 times 2 is -12. Put these in the missing spaces of the generic rectangle. And now let's find the length and the width. X times x is x squared. X times -6 is -6x. And then x times 2 is 2x. Notice how we have the length for this problem here and here. They gave us the x plus 2. We found the x plus 2. They're asking us to find the width. We don't have it for this problem, but we did find it here. It's going to be x minus 6. So in the example on the right, they were asking us for both the length times the width in parentheses as a product. Right now, they're only asking us for the width, the missing side that we didn't have before, and that's just going to be x minus 6. So your answer here is just going to be x minus 6. I hope this is helpful. Take what's inside of the rectangle, factor it as normal, and then put in the missing side length. Once again, the length, x plus 2, we already had it. X minus 6 is what Khan Academy is asking for, and that's the side length that we found that we didn't have before. If you would like me to do another example, let me know. I can do it on a PDF and then email it to you.